Guys, if you're watching this one, I'm assuming that you're done with part one, the walkthrough. Here is the next step that you guys need to get to. Again, the chapter one walkthrough, what we did together is all this stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and skip down here to page, I think 69. I think so. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so just like we did with the flyers, it's gonna be the same deal. Okay, what you have here is, I'm gonna get up here. Here's in the lab one. Preparing a short research paper. Follow the steps. Run Word if necessary. Modify the style to be 12-point Times New Roman. Remember, change the font to be Times New Roman, size 12. Make it so it's double spacing. Remove space after or before paragraph. That's all under the header tab or home tab. Create a header to multiple numbers. Okay, again, all that, guys, is right here. Basically, you're retyping this. Okay, so you got Delhi, Rashish Delhi, Miss June, English 102, blah, blah, blah. Here's the title. And let me get to it. Let me show you. When you get down to where it says Jones 45 through 48, that is, let me get it. That is that source right there. So it's going to be a book. That's the author. That's the title. That's the publishing city. That is the publisher company, and that was the year it was wrote. Okay. The next one is Anderson and Dean. That one is right here. And to make sure, did I tell you right? Anderson and Dean, right there. Okay. And let's see here, in the third one, Sanchez, and obviously that's the last one, Sanchez. Okay. And the type of, show the, make sure I'm not missing something before I move you on here. Those are, again, all three of them are going to be under book. Okay, just do book for those. Okay, that is what I want you guys to do for the first one in lab 1. In the lab 2, same deal. There's your first citation. Here's your second citation. After the word malware right here, you're going to put in the site or the footnote, according to Jameson and Bennett, blah, 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 and there's your third citation. Okay. Now, here's what's goofy on this one is that they give you the sources down here. Okay, so the best way I look at it is I look for the author. Okay, and then that's how I distinguish. So the first citation, Baio, right here. Okay, there's your first one. And they give you all the information right there. On that first lab, I'm going to type it up and I'll put it on the board what the sources are, so it makes it a little bit easier. I'll do it just like how they do it here. I don't know why they do it in lab 1 like that. So that's the first one. The second one is, let me find it again. I keep losing them. All right, where am I missing them? Oh, there, fields. Fields right there. So when you get down to the whereabouts and you put the citation in, fields is right here. And then obviously the last one within the footnote is for this right here. Okay. Now the difference is when you type in that one, it won't say 72 the first time. It's going to say the author's last name. Okay. But remember, you click on it, edit citation, and then you type in the page number 72. Okay. What I mean by that, let me go here. How we did with this one. Okay. So it will probably end up looking like where it has the last name. Okay. And then you go up here to edit citation. And then that's where you put in, click these two, and you hit 72. So that's what you'll do for in the lab 2. Okay? And then make sure you put the works cited page in, all that good stuff. Okay? In the lab 3, oh, we got a little freeze action. Alright. In the lab 3, I'm going to tell you what I want you guys to do for that one. So when you get to in the lab 3, stop, and I have something different that you'll do. So do not do in the lab 3. Okay, in the lab 1 and 2, they're easy to do. Putting the works cited page in, all that good stuff. typing the papers out. Okay, so if you run into trouble, just raise your hand. I'll help you out. But remember, use the first video to help guide you with what you're doing for in the labs. They're really easy, guys. It's a very important chapter. I think it's a very easy one. And that's it. So, if you have any questions, please let me know, guys.